Science is the most natural way to nurture curiosity in children. Scientific concepts and applications can be found in every aspect of our lives, and children find them particularly intriguing. At the Eton Academy, lessons are structured around scientific investigations to draw on your child's natural curiosity to explore scientific phenomena and everyday experiences. Inquiry projects transform your child into a young researcher who analyzes and synthesizes information to present coherent findings. Our lessons are anchored in science literacy. Your child is encouraged to think like a scientist, pose questions, and derive conclusions just like a scientist would. Regular science experiments allow your child to see science in action and develop a deeper appreciation of scientific concepts. Your child will hone answering techniques through carefully crafted questions in weekly practices, develop critical thinking skills, and master effective strategies to form clear and succinct explanations for open-ended questions. To ensure content understanding, topics are frequently reviewed to assess your child's learning and understanding. Your child will also receive personalized feedback in his or her weekly practices to identify areas of improvement. We can help your child master PSLE. Join us at the Eton Academy and see your child thrive and excel in school and life. Together, let us set curiosity in motion.